In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add annotation links in Wistia. Annotation links are those small, clickable prompts that appear right on your video, guiding viewers to learn more, visit a page, or even jump to another video. They're perfect for turning passive watching into action, and they're quick to set up. First, log into your Wistia account and head to your media page. Find the video you want to enhance and click it to open the video details. On the left side, look for the Customize option. Clicking Customize opens the Video Customization panel, which is where all the interactive features live. Inside the Customization panel, select the Annotation Links tab. If this is your first time using it, you'll either toggle annotation links on or click Add Annotation Link to create your first one. Turning it on exposes the controls you'll use to shape how and when the link appears. Now configure the annotation. Start by setting the start and end time. This determines exactly when the link shows up and when it fades away. Choose moments when the message makes sense, like right after you mention a resource or during a natural pause. You can scrub through the video and fine-tune the timing so it doesn't cover important visuals or interrupt dialogue. Next, enter the text. Keep it clear and action-oriented. Short prompts like learn more, get the guide, or visit page tend to perform well, but make sure the wording matches your brand voice and the value you're offering. Avoid cramming too much text. Concise is best for readability. Then paste the URL. This can be any destination you want viewers to visit, including an external page or another Wistia video. Use the full link and double-check it for accuracy. It's a good idea to test it in a new tab to confirm it loads quickly and points to the right place. Choose the position, upper left or upper right, based on where it's least distracting and most visible against your footage. Finally, set the theme to light or dark to ensure strong contrast with the background. The goal is easy visibility without overpowering the content. You're not limited to just one. Add multiple annotation links at different times to guide viewers through a journey. Space them out so they don't overlap, and keep each one focused on a single action. When you're done, preview your video to make sure every link appears at the right moment, looks clean, and goes to the correct URL. Adjust the timing, text, or placement as needed. And that's it. Simple, effective annotation links in Wistia that help your video drive real results.